I bought, and 2 cans. Right here I cut divide by 2. I love tofu, so I'm gonna go ahead deep fry after this, just to make a good food to eat, and who is vegetarian to eat tofu, gonna be very good dish. And here I put in the deep fry already, just not too long deep fry, it's about, I would say about just a night and tight a little bit to be firm, because tofu is very soft. And just right there, going to turn over, just like that. Don't go so crispy because they dry out. It's not very taste good. So just go nice and soft. Here I already done like 1.5 buck already, so it's ready to go. This tofu right here, for the person who don't really eat meat, so that's perfect for who don't eat meat. It's crazy, look good, right? Deep fried tofu, you can dip with sisu sauce right here. That'll be perfect. I have the big sisu sauce, okay? And right here, still some more to go. Nice and crunchy, but not too crunchy because they're too dry. You don't need that. You need nice and moist, okay? So when you don't eat meat, that's what the food for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one out from the pot right now. Okay, this is ready to take it out right now. It's enough, just like that. You don't want too dry, okay? Yep, you don't want too dry because gonna be too dry to eat and not gonna be fun, because if you have a little bit moist and more taste better, little moist like that. So let's take it out just like that. See that? Very easy. You can make this for the refrigerator or freezer and eat it later. Ooh, wow. Yep, just like that. Just like that. I love tofu, you guys. You know, so cheap. This is a $10 for two bucks. It's very cheap. You go and buy them so expensive. Some more, just like that. You know, if you go buy, they sell like I think $5.99 a pound. So you don't want to spend a lot of money. You can do it on your own if you're already eating tofu. Go to Asian market and go get a couple of bucks, $2 for 10, and you can do it on your own and put it in the refrigerator just like that. Okay? Refrigerator, because it saves you a lot of money and tastes better than you buy. Some people deep fry for you because it's too dry. I don't like it, you know, so I have to do on my own everything. So just like that, and keep moving, because it's very easy. I have to say 5 minutes of it, sometimes not even 5 minutes at all. So when that's quite a little bit firm, then you take it out, just like that, you know, just like that. And moving, just don't want them stick in the pot. You just move a little bit, be good to go. Just like that. This is what I'm doing, guys. Prepare good food, eat at home. Because right now we have a lot of problem outside, you know, we have problem. We don't want to go out and eat too much. Just try to cook and eat at home and save, and good food also. Okay, let it deep fry for 5 minutes and then we turn over another side. This is right here. I'm gonna show you how to cut this tofu right here. It's very nice and firm, you know. 2 big bucks for $5. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to cut this. You can cut any kind of way if you want to, but I'm gonna show you how to cut this way because this is some sexy to looking, just like that. You know, you cut square and you cut divide by like that. You know, it's just like that's the way you cut, and you deep fry for a whole big one like that. It's take too long because they're so thick. Okay, so you cut divide by 2 just like that, and you get ready for deep fry. Very simple, and make this, put in the refrigerator, and you can eat. And it tastes so good and healthy. Okay, just like that. So you have it. Waiting for deep fry, just like that. Okay. See that? That will cook for a couple minutes. You don't have to worry about 4 or 5 minutes. It's long in the bottom, nice and golden brown. Then you can turn over. Okay, now you see that? You can look at the bottom. Okay, down. That's a little bit golden. Go like that, and you turn over for another side the same way. It's very easy and nice and moist. So one more time. You don't want to be so dry because you're not gonna like when they're too dry. Okay, they but moist. The tofu taste. This is 100% tofu, a soybean. Okay. There you have it. Look at this, beautiful. And then I'm gonna show you how to eat with sauce. If you don't have a sauce, you can buy it from market, you know, like go to Thai market, the thick, you know, There's a sweet thick sauce. That one can eat with, but I make on my own. It's better taste because fresh, and I know what I'm doing. I don't know that the bar will put something to stay longer. It's not very good. There's chemical in there. But you don't have no choice. If you really want it, you can go get that one in the Thai market. Here, see that already? Just like that, golden color. Wait for another side, same golden, and then ready to go. Very simple, guys. Cook at home, eat at home, and happy, healthy. Okay. Okay, you see that? It's already ready to go. See, golden brown, another side, and that's it. That's time to take it out, guys. All right, take it out. If you want more crunchy than that, you can do it. But for me, I want nice and moist, like that. Okay, just like that. Yep, just take it out, just like that. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Let's go this color, perfect. This is last one. Last two. Just like that. Okay, let them cook. Okay, this oil I'm using very good oil. Okay, so you don't have to feel guilty to eat deep fried tofu. So I use this healthy pot for oil, cooking oil. Okay, so you can have that kind. So you can go ahead deep fry how you want it. Yeah, you have it. Deep fried good tofu. I can't believe, guys, you don't believe it. This is a dipping sauce I have. Okay, dipping party seafood sauce. If you want that, you can go to the my website seafoodsauce.www.com. okay, so you can order me seafood sauce www.com and go for. I have that online, so it's so good. And right here, if you don't have it, you can go to Thai market to buy the sauce they make. But that sauce they make, it's kind of I don't know what they put in there. Okay, but it tastes too sweet, but it's okay. Something you don't know how to make, you can go get one. But if you want to order my sauces right here, ready to flip over again. You see that? And then done. Very simple. Okay, done, guys. So easy. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Done. Okay. Here we have it, just like that. Pick up this one. You can see that. Okay. So beautiful.